Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold rise 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil settled more than 1% higher due to escalating tensions in Europe and the Middle East. As wars in both regions continue to pose a threat to global supply, prices rose after a Ukrainian drone strike caused a large fire in a fuel tank at an oil terminal in Russia. The dollar eased against the euro after retail sales data indicated signs of exhaustion among US consumers, boosting the case for Federal Reserve rate cuts later this year. Cryptocurrency exchange Uphold has sent a notice to its European users, informing them that the platform will end support for 6 popular stablecoins from July the 1st. Uphold says it is delisting the stablecoins to align with the European Union's markets in crypto assets regulation.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 11 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 10 GMT. The UK's consumer price index will be released at 6 GMT. The US NAHB housing market index at 14 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.